Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are exploring the fascinating properties of kites, focusing specifically on how their diagonals interact with one another. First, let us define what a kite is. A kite is a special type of quadrilateral that has two distinct pairs of equal length sides. Unlike a rectangle or parallelogram, these equal sides are adjacent, meaning they are next to each other. Every kite has two diagonals. A diagonal is simply a line segment that connects opposite corners. We have a longer vertical diagonal and a shorter horizontal diagonal. An essential property to remember is that these two diagonals always intersect at a 90-degree angle. This means they are perpendicular to each other. Now, pay attention to the longer diagonal. This line connects the vertices between the equal sides. It acts as an axis of symmetry, dividing the kite into two identical triangles. Here is the core concept of this lesson. The main diagonal bisects the other diagonal. To bisect means to cut exactly in half. So, the vertical line cuts the horizontal line into two equal segments. We can verify this visually. The distance from the center to the left tip is exactly the same as the distance from the center to the right tip. Length A equals length B. However, it is important to notice that this relationship is not mutual. The shorter diagonal does not bisect the longer one. As you can see, the top segment is much shorter than the bottom segment. To summarize what we have learned, in a kite, the diagonals meet at 90 degrees. The axis of symmetry bisects the cross diagonal, but the cross diagonal does not bisect the axis of symmetry. Thank you for watching. Understanding these diagonal properties is a powerful tool for solving geometry problems. Keep practicing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.